Hello friends, this is Anup from Anup Freelance Poetry. Today we're going to record the red blood moon. So the moon appears to be in red color. So this event we are going to cover it. Currently I have set up my Nikon P950 in this direction and the moon is currently in this direction. I have switched on the Nikon 950. It has a dedicated button called the moon mode. Let's record the video and take some pictures because the moon is currently slowly coming up the horizon.
Unfortunately, the blood moon phase has already passed on. It has happened around 6:28 p.m. in Chennai. So at the time, it was not visible from this place. It was available for spectators in the area like Marina Beach. It was viewable. Now it is definitely a full moon, but the full essence of the blood moon or the red moon is not there. It's still there's a small tinge of color you can see, but the original blood moon phase has already passed on. So it's again we are able to see the full moon in its prime now. Let's try to zoom in further. We'll focus this spot. The Nikon P950 has a more reach for the moon viewing. The Nikon P950 has an 83x zoom. So till this one you have a proper zoom. After that it's a digital zoom. So far this is one of the best video of the moon I have recorded till date, because it's not easy to record videos of the moon, because a small bit of shake is more than enough to affect the video. So this is the moon. Unfortunately it's not the blood moon, because that phase was around 6:30 p.m. in Chennai, India. So let's take some normal photos of the moon.
Hope you liked the videos of the blood moon and the photos of the moon. So let's meet in the next video. Until then, this is Anup signing off. Bye bye.